Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Hope you are enjoying the series of videos related to advanced product quality planning and production part approval process. We have completed the phase 1 planning, phase 2, phase 3 and phase 4. So today we will be discussing on phase 5, which is ongoing production, use and post delivery services. So we will be discussing different activities accomplished during this phase, and then what are all the deliverables and what is the phase gate milestone deliverables. So a set of activities during the phase 5 are monitor product and process performance and compare to the defined phase 1 targets, including the reliability, quality and customer satisfaction, product cost, delivery performance including the warranty, maintenance, repair and overall MRO operations, implementation actions to reduce the product and process variation in the associated production and MRO activities, document this source of variation in support of continual improvement efforts, capture the lesson learned and integrate into the other design activities as appropriate, update the failure mode effect analysis based on the lesson learned. So it is a continuous process where we'll be monitor the product and process performance compared to the KPIs, the key performance targets that are established during the phase 1. So we'll be monitoring those and then implement the corrective actions if the process variation is high, and then document the sources of variation and support the continual improvement efforts. So once the variation is identified, you will document the those variations, and those would be projects for the continual improvement. Either it may be variation cause may be at different causes, that altogether is a different topic that we can discuss in some other day. So that becomes the continuous improvement project. So that can be taken it into your Kaizen events, or you come up with different solutions based on the Kaizen event output. Either it may be elimination of the variation, process improvements, and then automation, bringing in the mistake proof solutions within the process to eliminate the variations. Those are the different activities that can be performed as a part of continuous improvement. So capture the lesson learned and integrate into the design activities as appropriate. So you will capture the lesson learned from the production, where the performance of process performance and product performance is compared against the targets, including the reliability, quality, customer satisfaction, product post delivery performance, including the warranties, maintenance, repair and overall operations. Those you will be capturing and update the FMEA, failure mode effect analysis based on the lesson learned. So major deliverables from this phase would be quality indices, example CPK, parts per ppm, rejection rates. Those would be measured because you have established the targets in the phase 1. So those are measured. Then the key performance indicators, KPIs reflecting the product quality and reliability, evidence that the project targets have been met. So on time deliveries and KPIs, and parts are produced at the rate of customer demand, OTD and capacity improvement plan, MRO KPIs plan to reach the established targets and project closure recommendations, and the continuous improvement actions, lesson learned document, and updated design risk analysis, PFMEA and control plans. So design risk analysis, PFMEA, FMEA, control plans, all these are live documents. These need to be periodically visited and re-updated. So phase out of the key milestone would be the project closure. Hello friends, hope you enjoyed the today's session. I would like to request you all to subscribe, share, like, and then if you have any comments, please leave your comments. So keep watching my channel, enjoy the new learnings, and wish you all the best for your career. Till then, take care, stay tuned, see you with the next video. Bye bye.